Hey, Joe from Rapid Restore Roofing here, providing my thoughts into what you as a homeowner should expect on the day your contractor starts your roofing project. Here's what I think should be on your checklist. First, one of the most important aspects you should be looking for, and an absolutely non-negotiable, is a dedicated project manager on site the entire time. Whether it's the person who helped you plan your project, or a supervisor from the company, or even the owner, having somebody from the organization on site ensures everything starts and ends according to plan. They're your point of contact, overseeing all aspects of the project, answering your questions, running around, getting extra materials needed, and solving any surprise issues that may come up during the project. You can't expect a roofing crew to do this on their own. They're just there to install. That's what they do. Don't expect them to pick up an iPad or a work order and read through all the things you and the company representative agreed upon, okay? This person's presence, the project manager, signifies a company's commitment to a seamless and efficient project. The last and most important thing I'll say is make sure someone is there all day. A lot of these companies say they'll be there, but they just show up in the morning for a couple of minutes and they leave shortly after, leaving the crew on their own unattended. Now, moving on to the second most important part of your big day, we're talking about landscape and home protection. Look around your house, your garden, driveway, outdoor furniture, windows, siding. You don't want them impacted and ruined by the roofing project. Now, you have over 10,000 used and rusty nails falling down along with thousands of pounds of roofing shingles, right? They gotta make sure they don't scratch the siding, break the windows, or ruin your Trex decking or your bushes, whatever it is that you care about, right? Whether your contractor uses an advanced garbage management system like we do at my company, Rapid Restore, or they might use regular blue tarps. Some sort of safeguards should be put in place around your landscaping and property. Your contractor should respect and preserve your property throughout the project. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about safety, crew safety. When your roofing project starts, you should see a commitment to safety reflected in every action the team takes. All right, one of the most important things are the use of safety equipment such as ropes, harnesses where necessary, and scaffolding. These aren't optional add-ons. They're absolutely essential when working at even moderate heights, all right? When crew members are on your roof, it's not just about being up there, it's how they navigate that space safely, that plane safely, okay? At certain heights, every single worker should be wearing a harness to a secure anchor point on the roof, limiting the potential for a dangerous fall. Even at minimal heights, there should be some sort of fall protection available for the crew members to use. Falls are sadly one of the most common causes of accidents in the construction and roofing industry. Okay, the use of proper safety measures doesn't just protect the crew, but also ensures that your project can proceed without unexpected disruption. Okay, these precautions are in place not only to make sure that the team can work efficiently in safety, but also to protect your home and your livelihood from any potential liability issues in the unfortunate event of an accident. I mean, this is New York. I'm in New York. New York is sue happy. Something happens, everyone's getting sued. So remember, when your contractor arrives to start work on your roof, a strong commitment to safety speaks volumes to their professionalism and their respect for you, your home, and their own crew. All right, so these three things, dedicated project management, landscape protection, and a commitment to safety, set the standard for what you should expect from your contractor on the day of your roof build. Remember, a roofing project isn't just about installing a new roof. It's also about providing a smooth, hassle and stress-free experience for you as the homeowner. Stress-free experience. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of what to anticipate when your roofing project begins. We'll catch up again soon with more helpful tips, and until then, take care.